All right, so you want to know how a building actually gets made from scratch? Let's break it down step by step, trust me. It's way more interesting than it looks from the outside. First up, planning. Before a single shovel hits the dirt, there's a ton of paperwork, meetings, and blueprints. Architects and engineers design the building, making sure it's safe, efficient, and honestly not ugly. Then permits, gotta have those. Without them, you're just digging a hole for no reason. Next, the site gets prepped. Heavy machinery rolls in, clearing away trees, rocks, and sometimes even old buildings. They level the ground, set up fences, and lay out where everything's gonna go. Picture a giant game of Tetris, but with bulldozers. Now comes the foundation. This is like the building's skeleton. Workers dig trenches, pour concrete, and sometimes add steel bars for extra strength. If you mess up the foundation, everything else is toast, so this part is super important. Once the foundation's solid, it's time to go vertical. That means building the frame, usually steel beams or wood beams that outline the shape of the building. Cranes swing beams into place and it starts to look like an actual structure, not just a muddy mess. After the frame, they add floors, walls, and a roof. Each step needs inspections to make sure everything's up to code. Electricians, plumbers running wires and pipes through the walls before they get closed up. It's like a race between teams, but everyone has to work together. Once the outside is sealed up, called drying in, crews move inside. Drywall goes up, floors get installed, and painters show up to make it all look nice. Cabinets, lights, fixtures come last, and suddenly it starts feeling like a real place where people could live or work. But wait, there's more. Before anyone can move in, inspectors do a final walkthrough. They check everything: fire alarms, emergency exits, even how well the doors close. Only after it passes inspection does the building get the green light. So, from blueprints to move-in day, building construction is a massive team effort. It takes a lot of planning, a lot of muscle, and a whole lot of patience. Next time you walk by a construction site, you'll know just how much goes into making those buildings rise from the ground up.